Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Cascode configuration or Cascode amplifier. So we are going to discuss about Cascode configuration or you can say Cascode amplifier. So Cascode amplifier consists of cascading of common source and common gate amplifier. So this is Vi, this is Vo. So cascode consists of common source and common gate amplifier, and we can draw it like this. This is common source stage, and this is common gate stage, and this is output. This is common source, this is common gate. We can also draw it like this. This is bias current IB, so this is VB, this is VI, ground. So this portion is known as common gate, and this portion is known as common source. Because this is one upon another, so we also call it as cascode. Okay, so now we need to find out two things. One is transconductance, other one is output impedance. Okay, so first draw for GM, transconductance. First we draw its small signal model. So here we remove bias current, because upper side having very high resistance, or its R is infinite, so we need to find out short circuit current. So this will be like this, and this will be Vi, this is ground. Now we will make it like this, ISC. So it will be something like this, GM into Vi. VGS equals to Vi here, and R out in parallel to this. Now if we see this side into source, resistance is 1 by GM. So we will make it like this. This is R, this is ISC, this is 1 by GM, this is GM Vi. Now this GM Vi current only goes in 1 by GM resistance, not in RO. Why? Because 1 by GM is much lesser than RO, output resistance of MOSFET. So GMVI plus ISC, if we apply KCL, equals to 0, ISC equals to minus GMVI, and ISC upon VI equals to minus GM. So this is transconductance of circuit. We have already seen this thing. Now we need to find out output resistance R out. So for R out we need to draw this circuit like this. We need to ground this. This is ground. Here we put Vx, some voltage source, then Ix is current. This is Vs. So here VGS equals to 0, so GM equals to 0. So here only we are having RO. So we are having this, then RO and VX IX. We know this is cascode structure. We have seen in previous output impedance videos how to find out output impedance of this structure. Say this is RO1, this is say M1, this is say M2, this is M2. So its parameters are GM2, RO2, RO2. So R out for this configuration, this circuit is GM2, RO2, RO1. Or if GM2 equals to GM1 equals to GM2 equals to GM, RO1 equals to RO2, then R out is GM RO square. Assuming GM1 equals to GM2 equals to GM. This is basically GM1, 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 and RO2 equals to RO1 equals to RO. So this is our assumption. Now, so this is our output resistance. Now DC gain, ADC is given by GM of circuit and output resistance of circuit. So which is GM1 into GM2 RO2 RO1 equals to GM square RO square. So this is DC gain. So after assuming GM1 GM2 equals to GM, RO2 equals to RO1 equals to RO, we find out DC gain for cascode amplifier. So we can observe that gain in case of cascode amplifier is more than common gate and common source amplifier. Thank you.